We'll guide you through how to get help on Wix when you need it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website by typing in wix.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be on your dashboard. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a question mark icon, which is the Help Center. Click on that to open the Wix Help Center. Here, you'll find a search bar where you can type in your specific issue or question. This is a great place to start if you have a common problem because it will bring up articles and guides that might have the answer you're looking for. If you can't find what you need in the articles, scroll down to the bottom of the Help Center page. You'll see an option that says Contact US. Click on this link. It will guide you through the process of getting in touch with Wix support. You can choose from different options like chatting with a representative, getting a callback, or submitting a ticket. Make sure to have your account details ready as they might be needed for more personalized support. Keep in mind that the response time may vary depending on the support method you choose. So if it's an urgent issue, a chat or callback might be the quickest way to get help. And there you have it. Now you know how to effectively get support from Wix using their Help Center. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.